that fake 6 moon missions, the greatest human achievement of all mankind. They faked 6 of them, and this is where I thought we had like scientists just fucking, there's all these scientists with their telescopes and they're looking, and that's what I thought. I go, what about all the scientists? Yeah, all these scientists, they're looking at telescopes. That's what I thought. They're all looking at telescopes, all these scientists. They're looking at telescopes. And then you find out they're not fucking looking at, how many fucking scientists you think are looking at telescopes and shit? You think Galileo figured this shit out with that fucking telescope that we had back then? Galileo, he figured it all out? You start looking into it. God damn it. The same motherfuckers who fake 6 moon missions, these are the same guys that are giving us all our information on space. Right there, I'm like, damn, I'm trying to debunk this shit. And then real quick, I'm like, damn, because every conspiracy theorist, not a flat earther, but every just regular conspiracy theorist, they will always say, they're lying to us. Everything they're saying to us, they're lying to us. Everything is a lie. They're all saying, but the information about space, no, that's true.
I get that.
That's true. No, it's fucking all bullshit. All you got to do is look into it, and you're going to realize that it's all bullshit.
Eddie,
all the information on space, bullshit.
All right, let's hear Joshi, let's go.
I will say one thing, and then I'll follow it with a question.
You guys in Australia are upside down. This guy's, come on, man.
Hold on, Eddie.
Hold on. Can you name 5 scientists and that are alive? Name 5 scientists that are alive. I'm waiting. Five scientists that are alive.
Hold on. Oh, this is good. This is what we've been dying for.
Well, he got me. Round of applause.
Whoa. Hold on.
Okay, so you're a scientist.
Come on stage.
No, you're a scientist. So on approximately, how many hours have you spent looking through a telescope studying stars? And
Come here.
Let's do it.
Okay, so this is where it gets really complicated because the way that science works is specialization, and the way to get really good at something is to study it in depth, and you specialize in one particular area.
Exactly.
My particular area is physical systems, so I do fluvial systems, water, erosion, a little bit of geology.
But none of that shit would work without gravity.
But
you know what I mean?
But I'm not a physicist.
Yeah.
But I'm scientifically literate. So I understand other scientists when they tell me stuff and they can interpret stuff for me. But the fact of the matter is that most general people don't have the scientific literacy to understand scientific data. That's it.
Dude, prove to me right now, without saying that other scientists figured it out, without saying that, giving me some information that you can't prove, how do you know that the world is a ball? How do you know?
The way that the scientific data is interpreted and collated is to take it and to test it against other scientists. And scientists hate each other and they want to be smarter than other scientists.
Stop. Hold on. But you have to answer his question. That's not really answering the question.
What is your proof that the world
the actual answer to the
question? What is the proof that the world is round?
We can get everything comes down. It all boils down to mathematics.
We're not talking to you, man.
It's all boiled down to mathematics, and it's all proved by mathematical models. And the way the mathematical models are created is by interpreting data and reproducing that data to create a model that it accurately represents real-time data and real-time observations. When you can't accurately represent that data and you create a model that is inaccurate, this is what happened with all the IPCC bullshit. They did all these projections and they said things are going to be really, really intense and things are going to be crazy and the sea level is going to go up a meter in the next 20 years. But that was the worst case scenario, and that's what they tried to push because they wanted to get everybody worried about it because they're trying to push that agenda. Now, it's something we need to worry about, but by making people think it's worse than it is, that's where you end up causing all this shit. Because now people go, you said that things were going to go up 2 degrees and it's only gone up 0.3 of a degrees. 1 degree is enough to really ruin the ecosystem.
Okay, stop. That's fine. Stop. I want to, not these guys on stage. How many people believe he answered the question? Clap. 3 people. I want you to.
Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something.
Let it go. Okay.
Let me ask you. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something.
We cannot have this whole thing. The fucking flatter.
You know that the whole ball theory, the first proof,
Sam?
the first proof, this is what set everything in motion, that we live on a ball, is that when ships sail off in the ocean, they disappear over the horizon.
2 miles.
Right?
Yep.
hull first and then mast. So it appears to be going over a curve, right? So if something goes over a curve and you can't see it anymore because of the curve, would you be able to zoom in on it with a zoom lens? If it goes over the curve.
Well, I'm not a special.
No. This is just basic science. Hold on. I didn't explain it enough. If you got to get into an explanation.
You're completely messing the point.
No. Okay, let me. Hold on. All I said, I made it really simple. I'm not a scientist. I'm not going to get in a war with you with scientific terms. But let me ask. This is a simple question. A kid could understand this question. We see a ship going away on the horizon, right? And then it starts disappearing, hull first, mast last, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so then once it fully, because it's going over a curve,
Eddie.
Correct? Relax, correct?
I got one thing to say.
We need like a diagram
hey,
for
listen,
this, right?
just,
We didn't
these
bring
are
a
just
whiteboard.
simple kindergarten questions.
Let's go.
Kindergarten. There's no reason for interruption.
Let me finish.
You see a ship going over hull first, mast last, right? Right? No. No. All right.
We tried to. We had a debate. It's fun.
You want to answer this question? You want to come up here and answer this question?
Sam, when this flat Earth thing started,
you want to answer that? I'm just looking for an answer.
That was the first.
Eddie, stop.
Listen.
It's a simple question.
This is my question. Do you believe the Earth is flat?
I don't
Did
believe
you just
it's
ask
wrong.
that question? He just said 20 minutes on it.
I don't know what we're on. But if I had a bet, I would bet that we're in some kind of flat plane. Yes.
It's the Truman Show.
All right.
You know what I want to hear from you? You want to
moving
answer
on.
this question? I got a simple question.
we can't have
It's
this
a
whole thing
kindergarten question. Damn, who wants to answer this fucking question? You know what? You ain't going to answer the question.
Eddie,
Let me ask. Who wants to? Hold on. We got to finish this shit. All right? It's fucking simple. Listen. It's real fucking simple. Hey, listen. Relax. Jesus Christ, I'm going to finish this one way or another. Fuck. It's a simple fucking question. It's a simple question. Ship, this is how the whole ball theory started. Because they're seeing ships. Relax. Jesus.
You know I feel bad for right
Christ.
now? Security right now who might have to throw people out and like, am I throwing out a guy who could choke me out?
They're all trained here.
Listen, it's real. You guys want to hear this question?
Yeah.
It's real simple. A child could understand this. This is the most basic. This is first grade science. It is a science question, but it's first grade science, right? Ship disappears over the horizon in the ocean. This is how it all started. Hull first, mast last, because it's going over a curve. If that ship really went over a curve, scientifically, would you be able to zoom in on it if you would have had a zoom lens and zoom that thing back in? Scientifically?
The only problem I have.
Yes. How?
This.
If it goes over a curve, explain.
Did you look it up?
Okay. Okay. Come here. Come here. Okay.
Okay, one more time. Let me just make the question nice and clear. Look, a ship goes over a curve. It disappears over the horizon. You can't see it anymore because it went into an angle. That's a scientific word. An angle where it goes down. Would you be able to zoom, if you had a zoom lens, zoom in on it?
Yes.
How is that? Okay, explain that.
So the atmosphere is curved
Are you-
according to the ball theory, right? That the atmosphere is curved. Light will the atmosphere acts as a lens,
ball
essentially, right? This is how fiber optics work, right? You can have a glass cable that bends light through curves. You can take a fiber optic cable, go into your TV, your HD audio, and that transmits light, right? How does light come out of a box this way and meet with the TV? And so light comes out of your cable box going this way. It goes into your TV going this way. It goes through a curve. So the atmosphere acts as a curved lens that refracts that light back. So as the ship gets further, people observe that the ships actually flip on their...
Man,
I don't know what you're talking about, sorry.
Jesus.
But
I can't believe you're saying this.
At a certain distance,
incredible.
The ship
It's
will
incredible
flip
that you're
upside
saying
down, right?
this.
The ship
It's
will
like
appear
you're a
upside down.
Scientologist.
So who wants to fuck?
He's saying that, like, if something went around, if I went around a corner of a building and I zoomed in on it, are you telling me that refraction is going to make me be able to zoom in on the person that went around the corner?
If it's far enough, yes.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Listen, there's plenty of videos. Listen, there's
Eddie,
there's
Eddie.
there's plenty of videos
We
where
have to
people
talk
prove
about
it.
other
You see
stuff.
ships disappear over the horizon, and then with just a Nikon 900 or whatever, they zoom and it comes back in. You're telling me that's a mirage? It's a refraction?
All right.
Come on, man. Come on.
We
man.
are not
Come on,
going to
man.
answer
You
this
zoom in on it.
question tonight.
You zoom in on it. So close. Over a curve.
We're almost figured it out. I
So
got
now-
it. Go. Listen. Stop. It's all
Who's
good,
not
dude.
giving any answers? You're not giving me any answers. You wouldn't even answer the question. You wouldn't even answer the question. What are you talking about with your degrees? You didn't even answer the question. You didn't even answer the question. You sat down. You couldn't answer the question.
Love this.
I gave you 10
This is what I
chances.
love.
I gave you 10 chances.
This is a town hall meeting, like we're trying to do Obamacare right now. You guys are like, fuck you, Obamacare, we need Obamacare. I love it. We've done it. They're not going to agree with you. You're not going
I'm
to agree
sorry.
with them.
I apologize.
Move on. Let's move on. There's other things in the world. There we go. That's the fucking show right there. You guys try stopping a guy who's had 3 glasses of red wine and has fucking tapped the Gracie. You try doing that. It's not easy.
Oh, do you think you'll be invited to Bohemia Grove, to a Bilderberg Club?